Alright, shooting 223, 55 grain, soft tips, muzzle velocity 3248 feet per second, and the energy at the muzzle is 1288 foot-pounds. Here we go, waterboarding test. Alright, we got it going in. Went down low. Went in. I already see a bullet fragment. We split the board down here. That's definitely packing a punch. As you see, there's some copper. There's that 223. Yeah, we got it going in right there. Looks like it just kind of needled in. And the bullet disintegrated. Y'all can hear that. There's some copper. Oh, yeah. And lead in there. Not too bad. That's actually, I kind of like that result where it blows up like that, because that means it's not going to punch through all the way. It's going to do as much destruction as it possibly can. So that ain't bad. It actually turned out to be a good test.